pag-iensayo ni Richard Gutierrez para sa pagsabak niya sa Ironman Triathlon. Dual purpose nga raw ang training dahil paghahanda na rin daw niya ito sa pag-host ng panibagong season ng Survivor Philippines. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Go!
Isang panibagong challenge ang haharapin ni Richard Gutierrez sa kanyang pagsabak sa Ironman 70.3 Triathlon Competition na gaganapin ngayong weekend sa Camarines Sur. Kahapon, inabutan naming nagte-training si Richard sa Alabang Country Club. Una siyang nag-bike training para sa bike relay ng nasabing competition. Pagkatapos, tumakbo naman si Richard paikot ng football field, kasama ang kanyang trainer na si Noy Hobson, ang first Filipino Ironman champion noong 2009.
Simula talaga yung training ko sa run, nung Kapuso Fun Run, and then na-develop into triathlon.
Next year pa raw sana balak sumali ni Chard sa Ironman, pero hinikayat siya ng kanyang trainer na sumali na ngayong taon.
Keep right lang.
I'm doing a relay, so I'm doing the bike portion. So, okay lang yan, kasi I'm not doing the entire Ironman. So I'm just doing the bike leg, and I'm just there to enjoy the atmosphere and to enjoy the Ironman experience.
Dalawang buwan nang nagsasanay si Richard kasama si Coach Noy. Very disciplined at determinado raw si Richard sa kanyang training. Ready na ba?
Yes. As long as yung goals naman niya is very realistic. He wants to finish it in a decent time. He wants to have fun. And I think it's the perfect opportunity.
Ang triathlon training ni Chard ay nagsisilbing paghahanda na rin daw niya sa kanyang panibagong hosting challenge, ang inaabangang Survivor Philippines Season 4.
Yes, of course, for Survivor, you have to stay fit mentally and physically. So, parang preparation ka rin to for Survivor.
Aubrey Carampel updated sa Showbiz Happening.